Of all the things I purchased from the Sephora sale, this one I thought was the most urgent that I needed to talk to you guys about from K18. This is their new AirWash Dry Shampoo. Hi friends and welcome back to my channel. So if some of you saw my recent Sephora haul video, you saw that I did pick up the K18 Dry Wash Shampoo, AirWash Shampoo, and I had high hopes for it because it was $48. And if you know me at all, you know I am a huge K18 stan. I live and die for the Peptide Prep Detox Shampoo and the Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. I use these every week on the same day. If you want like clean feeling hair that is like just easy and silky and shiny, using this duo once a week, that's all you need. And I literally have talked about these and recommended them in other videos so many times, so I'm not going to do that, but I am going to tell you, I do love K18. I think they're super innovative, and I think they've been super good for my hair. I think even though, you know, my hair has gone through it a little bit with my weight loss, my hair is still like strong and healthy and blah, blah, blah. Who cares about that? The point is, I really was putting a lot of faith into this $48 dry shampoo. And let's not forget, you have to shake it because it's not actually a dry shampoo. It's wet. It's wet, but it does dry down quickly. So I guess that's a pro. But let me tell you what K18 actually says on the box, what you're supposed to be able to expect from this. It says, meet the reinvention of dry shampoo, the future of clean, powered by biotech. Blah, blah, blah. Revolutionary odor bind, that's their trademark ingredient. Smart release technology doesn't mask odors. It's scientifically proven to recognize, suspend, and eliminate them. Now, I don't have problems with like odors in my hair because I do wash basically every day. So I don't get a buildup of oils that could maybe, you know, leave behind a scent. But if you do, you might like this because I guess it does that. Additionally, it says translucent micro beads absorb oil without a white cast or starchy buildup. If it pleases the court, I disagree. Continuing on, extend your clean and prioritize your scalp health with this gentle formula. Clinically proven to reduce oil and eliminate odor, keeps working for up to 72 hours. All right, I tried this 3 different times under like 3 different circumstances. The first time I used it was just the morning after, so it was like clean hair the day before, the next morning. And it says that you're supposed to, 4 to 6 inches away, start with 1 spray per section, increasing up to 3 sprays per section as needed. So I did exactly that. So I did a spray in the front, and, I part to this side and I do it here, and then I part to this side, and then I would, make additional parts, the way we do dry shampoo, no secret. And then I let it dry for like 30 seconds like I do all dry shampoo. And then I just kind of like massaged it through to get it to eat up the oils and, do the shampooing. And then I just went on with my day. Here is the thing. I could feel that starchy buildup within like an inch or 2 of my scalp. So like from my scalp out for about 2 inches the entire day. It just felt thick. It felt like I did not want to run my hands through it. And I thought to myself, okay, so I have thin, fine hair. Like I have a decent amount of hair, but my actual strands are very fine. So maybe for someone who has like denser hair, but you do get an oily scalp, this might work for you because maybe you wouldn't mind it's a starchy feeling as far as I'm concerned. Maybe you wouldn't mind that feeling. Maybe you wouldn't notice it as much. But on my fine hair, I could definitely feel it. So then I thought, all right, what if I try it after the gym when like the oils have been kind of produced while I was working out and see what happens then? And I did that. I came home, took my hair down, spray, the same situation, rubbed it through, and I was like, I waited an hour. Like that's all I could do. And I had to take a shower and get it out. I could not stand the way it felt. And I'm like, what am I doing wrong here? For $48, like there's gotta be like a magical way to do this that I'm not doing. And then I remembered in the past, there have been times where I have actually, when I've had like a really good hair day, I've like sprayed my roots with a dry shampoo before bed. And then in the morning when I woke up, like there was no oil buildup. My hair was good to go for that day. So I thought, all right, let me try that. So I sprayed it before bed, did the whole routine, no different. And the next morning I got up and I was like, no, I cannot wear this in my hair all day again. So now you understand why of all the things that I purchased at the Sephora sale, this is the thing I had to warn you about first, because I need you to save your $48. Now I get it. We all have different hair types. We have different scalp issues. So this may very well work for you. If you don't mind feeling like the product in your hair, maybe if you do get a lot of oil buildup, or maybe you do have odor, so if those are your issues, this may work out really well for you. But if you're like me, I don't think you're going to like it at all. I kind of feel like I wasted $48, and I know that I should return this to Sephora. Although I have this like new fear about returns. I don't return a lot of the products that I don't like at Sephora. You have 30 to 60 days depending on the mood they're in, it seems like. And normally I'll just like give products away, but if it's something I really don't like and I know for sure, like I can't have it around me, I might return it. But recently I found out if you return like around $2,500 worth of product, Sephora can like kind of blackball you and say, yeah, no more returns for you. And I'm kind of like, I don't want to be on any sort of naughty list with Sephora. So even though they have a liberal return policy, I'm not willing to abuse it. And returning this, I don't think would be that much of an abuse, but I can't decide what I'm going to do. But do not let this be an indictment of the brand, whatever you do. Like I said, I live for these two products. I use them every week. It's really like my favorite shampoo of the day because I know that, like, as a matter of fact, using the detox shampoo after I used this was key. So I do double shampoo sometimes, lather, rinse, repeat. And I don't have to do that when I use this here detox shampoo. I did one day when I had this in and wanted to get it out. I had already used my detox shampoo within a couple days, so I actually used another one of my shampoos. So I did wash it out twice with shampoo because I really wanted to make sure I got it out. Not that I feel like there's anything bad or harmful in here. I just didn't like the way it felt in my hair and I wanted it out. And of course, the leave-in mask just alleviates all your sins. It hides the ugly truth. It makes your hair so much better than it was. So I'm still, of course, not giving these two up. But for me, this one here, could I make much more noise? Sadly, is a no. Although I would be interested to know if you have been using this product and it is working for you. Like, what is your hair type? Under what conditions are you using it? Are you using it differently than I am? Like, am I doing something wrong? Am I missing something? Let me know in the comments. And for those of you who are new to my channel, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'm into all things hair, skin, and makeup. And if you are too, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell because sometimes I upload twice a week. However, my usual uploads are on Friday mornings at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Most of you know I hate doing a negative review, but I had no choice and I wanted to save you guys your coins or find out how I'm doing it wrong. All right, you guys, that's all for today's video. As always, I want to thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.